You've unlocked Python's mathematical superpowers. Let's celebrate everything you've mastered this week. Amazing work! You're officially a Python math master. This week, you transformed Python into your personal powerful calculator and intelligent decision maker. You can now make Python do math and think logically. You mastered arithmetic operators with order of operations, discovered the power operator and modulo for remainders, and learned how operators work differently with strings, joining and repeating text like magic. You became a Boolean logic genius. You can compare values, check sizes, combine conditions with and/or, and flip results with not. Python can now make intelligent decisions because of you. And you discovered the amazing len function that counts characters and becomes part of your expressions, checking password lengths, measuring text, and so much more. You now know the sacred order rules: parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, finally addition and subtraction. You can predict exactly what Python will calculate. You're officially an expression expert. You've achieved mathematical Python mastery. You know expressions evaluate while statements act. Order of operations rules everything you calculate. Boolean logic powers all your decisions. And parentheses give you complete control. Next week, we'll learn to plan our programs with pseudocode and flowcharts. You're becoming a real programmer.